So I imported a Eunos Roadster, aka a right-hand drive Mazda Miata from Japan. It was a fun car, but I traded it for an even more fun car. What I didn't show was how crusty dookie dog water the interior was when I first got the Miata.
This thing looks like it has herpes.
In this video, I'm gonna show you the budget cleaning products I used to go from this to this. Okay, this part wasn't me. The owner did that. I mean, he's really going all out on this little Miata build. Anyways, let's get this filthy little Roadster cleaned up before we catch something.
Oh shit, here we go again.
What up, stubborn ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen.
And smashing gold.
It's another beautiful day here in sunny Florida. And like I always say, sun's out, buns out, gotta take advantage.
You've seen it, you love it. Eunos Roadster, freshly imported. Came in with the swine flu and everything.
Ugh. Today, we're gonna take care of that.
We have our budget cleaning items because
this channel's not sponsored yet. So chemical guys, McGuire's, whoever, sponsor your boy. I make good stuff. Before we get to cleaning, let's see what's in this dirty motherfucker.
I'm done my share.
That's pretty disgusting. Ugh. Nasty. Is that a fucking raisin?
I think there's a lot of raisins.
Bruh, we should probably put gloves on.
There's literally diarrhea on the seats, look.
What's that, brother?
Someone shat on the seats and it wasn't me?
I'm gonna put some gloves on.
Oh, only the glove box is clean. I expected, like, used condom.
This thing's so dirty, I don't even know where to start. I got the old Toodles, that thing pink. But seriously, we're gonna put some gloves on.
Surprisingly, the glove box is the only thing that's kind of clean. I was expecting to find a gun.
We're gonna get it started by removing these nasty little floor mats first. I honestly don't have too much hope for these, but we're gonna try our best. If you have children, make sure you get them involved. It's good bonding time and free child labor. Gotta admit, it's pretty satisfying watching these things get cleaned up.
Look at that, looking better already. That's just one thing.
Next, we're moving on to the interior carpet. Starting on the passenger side, which was not nearly as bad as the driver's side. It just has some regular dirt, which was easy to pick up and clean up with the shop vac.
Dang, I thought I found me someone's credit card.
What is it, like a gas station card?
I don't know. I'm rich, baby, I'm rich.
Now, onto this poor driver's side. This side looks like it's been used and abused. The shop vac makes light work of the loose dirt, but as you can tell, this side's cooked. We're gonna need to do a lot more than just simple vacuuming.
And this is just after one pass. It's already much better, much better. That was just the vacuum. Now we're gonna use a brush, we're gonna agitate the dirt, and we're gonna vacuum it at the same time. I'm gonna use a softer brush. It's fabric, so it doesn't have to be, you know, too hard.
I thought the small brush was a good idea at first, but honestly, this dirt is way too caked on. The small brush is barely doing anything. It was useful for small corners, but this interior is more neglected than I thought. So we're gonna have to bring out the big guns.
We're also gonna use the little pimp drill because this dirt is stubborn.
Just watch, just watch.
I don't know if the camera's catching it. There's dirt just flying around. We should probably have masks on.
Yeah. But I like the real authentic experience.
We have JDM butt dust filling up our nostrils. Authentic.
Hopefully a hot girl in this car and not some sweaty old guy.
I think we know.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm just trying to trick myself, man.
We definitely took an L with this JDM butt dust, but we're resilient. We're stubborn ones. We're here to get the job done. The brush attached to the pimp drill is doing its thing. We still have a ways to go, but we ain't quitting. We ain't no bitches. And that's easy to say, cause Danny's doing all the work.
We have our job cut out for us here, boys, cause sheesh. That's after vacuuming and then brushing and vacuuming.
Up next, we're using Tough Stuff. This stuff is the GOAT of foam cleaners. It works amazing, and best of all, is under $5 at Walmart. And that's important, cause if you're like me, well,
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
All right, let's try a little bit, see how it goes. Let's do it right here, where the shit stain is. We're gonna let that sit for about 30 seconds and then we're gonna wipe it off. Not gonna lie, it's much better. Yeah, that's much better actually. Told you, tough stuff, that's good stuff. Let's do half of the seat. Probably shouldn't be doing this in the sun.
Oh wow.
Yo, look at that difference. You can see down the middle, dookie gone.
Less dookie.
After a few passes of tough stuff, the brush and wiping.
Wow! Beautiful!
For that side, I have an extractor. We're gonna use that. But for now, we're gonna take a quick break because this Florida sun is disrespectful.
Slap your mama high.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. That's
Too damn bad!
And we're back. Gross. What the is that some kind of washing
Seat
thing?
cleaner.
They didn't do a very good job now,
Clearly
did
it
they?
dried up. When one door closes, another one opens.
Nasty.
Is that an orange?
Little piggy, nasty little piggy, oink oink. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of shit for this video for not using all those fancy brands you guys are using, whatever. I'm going with these. This was like $3. And watch, it's gonna work just as good as the $15 bottles of all these other guys. Now this part you should be doing on all your cars. Even if you're not detailing, make sure you clean your steering wheel.
Little grubby Cheeto fingers are on there.
Look at that. I mean, I know this car is nasty, but do yours. I bet you it looks like this. Look at that.
Yikes.
That's more than Cheetos, boy.
Oh, look at that.
What the hell did you just wipe?
I wiped this little box right
Oh,
here.
God.
Oh, that's nasty.
I should definitely put my gloves back on.
You're gonna contract a disease.
2 hours later.
Highly underestimated the level of dirt that was in here, but ladies and gentlemen, after after all 25 wipes were used, it looks good. Now we just need to do the protectant wipes.
Moving on to the final step in the process, these protectant wipes by Armor All hit different. Another banger that's only $3.99 on Amazon. That's chef's kiss for your interior. Wipe down the dash, doors, vinyl, and plastic. No grease, no slime, just vibes. Don't sleep on these budget items, chat.
There we go. It does look 1,000 times better. I highly underestimated the level of dirt for this thing. For a job like this, I do recommend an interior cleaning spray because wipes is just so much work. But it got the job done. I'm just saying, with a spray, it would have been a lot faster. What did you do today? Did you even help in anything with the car? Oof.
Dastardly.
We are not done with this by any means, but this was showing you how to detail your car on a budget. On the next video, we're gonna deep clean the seats. We're gonna use the extractor. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep the videos coming.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.
Peace out.
Sayonara, putos.